Join the journey with Algonquin College.
Thanks, Rick. Life is unscripted. It doesn't really follow a set path. And throughout that journey, we find strength in the people who help us inspire and do better.
Exactly. I totally agree. When you work with other people, you can achieve almost anything. What you can do by yourself is incomparable with what you can do with friends and family. You can conquer things you never thought were even possible. You can rise above and you can become a better person.
Yeah, drawing on that love surrounds us. There's nothing we cannot do. Coming together as a group and networking with such great people is what we really need to do.
The support system we build throughout our lives encourages us to follow our dreams. Join a dream and a purpose so compelling you'll never want to give up.